In this video, we are going to learn how to use Action Recorder command for regenerating a drawing in AutoCAD. We can find the Action Recorder function by going to our Manage tab in our ribbon, and then we see the Action Recorder panel right here. Click on it. After clicking, the Action Recorder drop-down has appeared. Pin it using this button here. Next, we have the Record button. This allows us to start our recording, and any actions performed subsequently will be saved to the recording. So let's get started and make our first recording. So, we're going to click on Record, and you'll see that something special happens to our cursor. Now we can see a red dot on the upper right of our cursor. Now anything that you do will be recorded. So for example, if we draw a polygon with 6 sides, and specify the center of polygon, I'll select Inscribed and circle here. And then, we offset it by, let's say, 0.5 meters. And hit Escape. These are our tasks here. Now, click Stop and Save. Now, at the task where you input the polygon, right-click on it, and select Pause for user input. Now what this will do is that, it will prompt you to select the location of the polygon whenever you play this again. So select your task's automation from here and hit play. Every time that you click play, you can insert your shape that you recorded in the drawing.